In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reduce Bluebeam file size. If you've ever tried to email a drawing set or upload a PDF to a portal and hit a size limit, this quick workflow will help you shrink the file while keeping it readable and professional. Start by opening your PDF in Bluebeam Revu. Make sure it's the version you normally use for reviewing and marking up drawings. If your document is important or very detailed, it's a good idea to keep an original copy somewhere safe so you can revert if you need a higher quality version later. With the file open, head to the top left corner and click the File menu. From there, choose Reduce File Size. This built-in tool is designed to compress images, remove unnecessary data, and streamline embedded content under the hood. The layout of your pages won't change, but the way images and resources are stored will be made more efficient, which is what creates the smaller file size. You'll see a prompt asking you to choose a quality preset. The rule of thumb here is simple. Lower quality equals a smaller file. If your PDF is heavy on high-resolution images or scanned pages, a lower preset can dramatically reduce size. For documents that are mostly vector line work and text, even a moderate reduction often keeps everything crisp while still cutting the file down. If you need to send the PDF by email or upload it to a system with strict limits, aim for a lower preset. If you're preparing a set that will be printed at scale or needs precise detail, a balanced or higher quality option is usually the safer choice. These presets typically adjust things like image resolution and compression levels to find the right trade-off between clarity and size. Once you've selected the preset that fits your needs, click OK to process the file. Bluebeam will take it from there. Depending on how large and complex the PDF is, this may finish almost instantly or take a little time. You'll likely see a progress indicator while it works. When the processing completes, your PDF will be optimized. At this point, it's smart to glance through a few key pages and zoom in on fine details to confirm everything looks good. You can also check the new file size to see how much you saved. That's all there is to it. Open, reduce, choose a preset, and confirm. It's a fast, reliable way to make your PDFs lighter without sacrificing the essentials.